Recently I had a birthday and I decided to treat myself with some new fabric. So I've got my parcel here and I'm all ready to open it up. Let's take a look at what I've got. So this parcel is from the Strawberry Thief. They're the Liberty distributors here in Australia. I've totally fallen in love with the new Japan inspired collection. So I thought I would grab some for my birthday and grab some extra stuff to make. There was a slight problem when I ordered. I think it was I ordered as soon as they announced it and it sort of sold out straight away. So I'm not entirely sure what's actually coming in this parcel because we made some substitutions. So this was the piece. Oh, they've put in different colorways. How lovely. This is the one I actually ordered for myself, but they'd sold out by the time I got there, and they're very lovely. Put in some fabric swatches for me, which is awesome, and I will totally put those to good use. So thank you very much to the Strawberry Thief for that. So these are all the Liberty Tana Lawn. Little thank you postcard, all about their Liberty bowl kits that you can make as well, which are very cute. I've seen those on their Instagram. So I'll show you this one first. So this one is going to be something for myself. It's really cute, as always, as we would expect with Tana Lawn. Super soft, nice and dense, and beautiful printing. It's really cute. So that will be something for the summer for myself. So I'm looking forward to that. Also looking forward to summer because it's been freezing this week. Or freezing for Australia anyway. This one, which is super cute, it's got little koi on it and some little dogs. I actually bought to make us pillowcases, which I think is the most indulgent use of good fabric I've ever done. Last summer was so hot and our pillows were just not smooth enough. And I actually saw this on one of the girls who lives in Brisbane on her Instagram. She made Tana Lawn pillowcases for her and her husband, and she was like, best night's sleep ever. It's so good in the hot weather. So I thought I'd give it a go. So we have some lovely fish to have a go at. So I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, not a huge parcel, but a birthday parcel nonetheless, which is always exciting, and some lovely extra pieces.